So now what we're gonna do, after the fish is done, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the shrimps.
Oh, all right. Shrimp time.
Shrimp time. Okay, these are my shrimps. And what I did was, I cleaned them and I put in a little pepper sauce. I put in a little garlic powder. I also put in a little parsley. You know, I put my little accent in there. And I put a little black pepper. And I also did a little something different. I put a little curry powder. Just a little different. Sometimes you gotta do things different.
And don't get regular curry powder. It need to be Jamaican curry powder.
You gotta get some Jamaican curry powder. Jamaican curry powder, which is the good curry powder. It's spicy also. And then I beat up 1 egg and like a half a cup of milk. And I beat that up and then I put it in this bowl here. And you know, they've been sitting in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes now. And I like to mix it up a little bit. And we're also going to get a Ziploc bag. Another Ziploc bag. Small one.
So this is what your...
It smells good.
That's what it looks like here.
Yep.
Looks really good.
Now, this is crazy too. You notice I like to cook my, no, that's, is that the fish or shrimp? Okay. This I like to cook my shrimps with. This is Zatarain's.
Zatarain's.
And it's seasoned, so you don't need too much of a lot of season. And this is also pretty good to cook your shrimps with. I like it because of the way it looks and so forth. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put, this one is Zaccharin, the other one was Louisiana. But you know, they all from New Orleans.
And that's where that flavor comes from, boy.
And it does, it is.
That flavor.
And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and put our shrimps in here. You know, a little bit at a time. Get it in there. And the oil is ready. And we're gonna start dumping these bad boys into. Yep. Dump them in.
They are sizzling up.
I don't know. I got these shrimps for like. And you can just dump these shrimps in here.
So they are getting all nice and fried up. Nice and fried up.
Let's make sure they're talking. Oh yeah, Diva. It's good. We're talking in this piece together again.
That looks good.
Yes, it does.
So where can you find that Zatarain's shrimp? What is it? What does it look like? Show everybody what it looks like again.
This is what it is. This is what it is. I know everybody probably say, "Oh, you use all these things and blase," but you know what? When I do a lot of research, and you know, you can use flour. Don't get me wrong, but sometimes you just need to get that kick. You know, and certain seasonings is pretty good. I mean, you know, it costs about, what happened here? It costs about maybe, let's see. I think this was like maybe $2 or something like that.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's not bad, but you know what?
And if you're frying shrimp on a budget, that's a good, it's cheaper to get the little seasoning packets or, you know, the Zatarain stuff, because Flour is what, like $2, and then you gotta buy like all the seasoning.
All that stuff.
True.
Don't get me wrong. But sometimes you want to try things, you know.
New things, yeah.
You want to try new things. Let me just get my little,
That right there.
where is it? There it is.
And you just gotta spice it up, you know, spice up your cooking a little bit.
Yeah, you just got to try new things. I mean, you know, it is what it is.
That looks really good. She's getting it ready.
Got my paper towel there, getting on there.
You need more paper?
Shrimp does not take long to cook.
You need more paper?
No, I think I'm good.
Oh, you did.
Got that going. You know, if you don't have anything and you got company coming over, you know, and you really want to just do something, and I have a pina colada sauce that you can do, and you can do the Bam Bam sauce. Okay, Apollo, you're in the way there. Shrimp does not take long to cook. Look at that.
Ooh.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't that some pretty shrimps? Now y'all know that's some pretty shrimps. Now y'all can't beat that with a stick. Look at that. Don't take long, but it's, look how pretty it is. You know how you see some things that just, I'm gonna just drop the rest of these in here. I see you,
good.
Tika. It's very nice and hot. Be careful. It will burn you.
Nah, it looks good. Real good. Pretty, everything. All you gotta do is top it off with a little bit of parsley. Nah, but this is good. And it's simple. It's real easy.
Yes, it is.
Very easy.
Yes, it is. Okay, we're gonna let that talk.
Alright. And then you put in some more?
I did. I just put
Okay.
in the last gallon.
Okay.
I just bought about,
So how long should it take to cook the shrimp? How long does, like, once you put it in there, how long would it take?
shrimp is not cooking. One thing you don't want to do is overcook shrimp.
True.
That's the main thing you don't want to do because it's rubbery and all that kind of nonsense. And
So what, like 3 minutes? Something like that?
about 3 to 4 minutes or so. Because I got this in a lot of oil, so it cooks. It's all cooking there. But look at that. Now y'all know them some pretty shrimps. Now them some pretty shrimps there.
Those look nice.
Oh, where's my plate? And everybody who come over to Diva House know how Diva shrimps are. I mean, it's just amazing. Gotta have that pepper sauce there. You can have ketchup, whatever you want to eat with it. It's just amazing. Guys, once again, thank you so very much for watching this whole episode with shrimps and fried fish. As you can see, it's amazing. So we're gonna chow down on this, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to make some ham sliders. So that's gonna be good for the kids also. So we're gonna chow down, and once again, thank you guys for watching and welcome back to Diva's Kitchen. I won't take too long the next time. So welcome back, guys. Greatly appreciate you.